We're doing the cinnamon challenge. Yay. How do I get it like on the spoon?
Hold it.
No. That's way too much. I'm gonna die.
Do mine.
Okay, do you wanna hold that?
Yeah, I'll just take this one.
You gonna take that one?
Mm.
That one's so much. Stop! Are you ready?
No.
Okay, wait, where do you want your water?
Right in front of me.
Are you gonna actually try and swallow it? Yeah?
No.
Yeah, you have to. It's part of the cinnamon
Okay,
challenge.
well, okay.
Okay, ready? Yeah. I'm scared. It's like gonna go everywhere. Did you see my last video?
My computer breaks. Okay.
Ready? You can count it down.
Okay. 1,
No.
2, 3. Oh my god.
He's about to cry. Look at his face.
That's not good.
But try.
Oh.
Ew.
Oh. Mm-mm. Mm-mm.
Ew.
Oh. Puh, puh, puh. Ugh.
You okay there, Maddie?
I feel like pure dick.
Are you guys gonna do that again?
Oh my god. How do you stop this? Oh, I got cinnamon on our computer. I'm sorry. We failed the cinnamon challenge. Yeah. Badly. Goodbye.